The next thing we need to know is where do we play our chords in our piece of music? So before we take our example here, which is Don't Look Back in Anger by Oasis, we need to consider the time signature. A time signature tells us how many beats there are in the bar. It tells us a little bit more than that, but for now let's just concentrate on that. So what we do is we have a look at the time signature and we take the top number. Now that top number tells us how many beats there are in a bar. You can see from this example that there are 4 beats in a bar because the top number is a 4. The bottom number is also a 4, but try for now to forget about the bottom number. So the top number is a 4, that means there are 4 beats in a bar. If we take another example, we can see that 3 is over the 4. It's not a fraction, so it's not 3/4, it's 3 over a 4. So that means that there would be 3 beats in a bar in this example, a little bit like a waltz, which is in 3. So let's go back to our Don't Look Back in Anger example. There are 4 beats in a bar. So if we take the very first bar, we can see that the 2 chords for this bar are C and G. That would be C major and G major. So, because there are 4 beats in a bar, as we've already discussed, we will play the C for 2 beats and the G for 2 beats, because obviously 2 plus 2 is 4. If we look a little bit further down to bar 3 on the second line, you can see that there's only 1 chord in the bar. So you would play that chord for 4 beats. There aren't any examples here, but if there were 4 boxes in a bar, you would play each chord for 1 beat, because obviously 4 times 1 would be 4. So let's have a look at the first line. There are 2 chords in the first bar, C and G, followed by 2 chords in the second bar, A minor and E minor, followed by 2 chords in the third bar, F and G, and that is followed up by a C chord and a G chord in the last bar. So I'm actually going to play each of those chords for 2 beats. You can also see that in the last bar we have a double bar line with 2 dots, and that means that you would repeat the first line and go through to the second time bar on the second line. So if I play that example for you now, it sounds something like this. So, if there are 4 beats in a bar and only 1 chord over that bar, I can hold the chord for 4 beats. For example, 2, 3, 4, stop. That would be holding it for 4 beats. I could, if I wanted to, play 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you really want to, you could play a slightly funky rhythm. Still over 4 beats. 1, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can see in this example, for Don't Look Back in Anger, there are 2 chords in a bar. So obviously you are going to hold each chord, or play each chord twice. For example, 2 Cs and 2 Gs. Or, which I think sounds a little bit better, you could hold them